So in last video we have done a simple linear regression model, and today we'll be also doing the same, but in today we'll be using train test fit model, where I'll be taking a huge amount of data. Here I'll be taking USA housing and I have around more than 5,000 rows. So I would take some for the testing part and some for the training part. Okay, so let's start. So let's do it. As you know, as for all, import pandas as pd, import by snp, and import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. First we have to import all our important libraries, then we have to take our data sets, pd.read underscore csv, and here I have USA housing dot csv. For better understanding, let's print the first 5 rows using head. So these are my data set, okay, but I won't be using everything because in linear regression I cannot use string. Okay, so I'll be using simple average area income. So I'll be using simple like average area income, average area house age, average area house number of rooms, and average area number of bedrooms and populations. Using those 5 input columns, I'll be predicting my price. Okay, so let's do that. For that, um, let's do it to data set, and let's do this tf and take all our important input columns. We have this, also average area house age. So I don't be full stop with comma, and I'm using bedrooms, and it's okay, I'm not using anymore. Here I am taking my price. Okay, good. Data set head, let's see, I have changed my data set, so these are the data set that I'll be using. Okay, now I need my input column and my out, like I'll be needing my input features and my output features. So for input I'm taking, I'll be taking data set where I'll keep this 4. Okay, keep this 4, and in y we having price. Yeah, price. And after that, let's run it, and let's print our x. This is our x. Let's print our y. This is my y. Okay, and now I have to train this. So for train, using xtrain, xtest, xtrain, sorry, not xtrain, be ytrain, and ytest is equals to, okay, so I have to import this model. Train test split will give some parameters x, y, and we have to give the parameter of test size, and I'll be giving test size, let's say 0.20. Mean 20, like 80% of my data I'll be using for training, and the rest of 20% I'll be using for testing. But it won't work as I haven't import this necessary model, which is from sklearn dot, because it's a model selection. I wanna import train test split. Okay, now let's run it. And train, sorry, it's done. Now we have to train our model. So linear is equals to, again I forgot to import this package. For this we'll be importing sklearn dot linear model, and from there I import, no, not like that, linear regression, and let's do that. Okay, now I have to fit my data set to train. Taylor dot fit, I'll be simply fit my X train and Y train. That's it. That's it. Let's run it. Great. And also it's better you always print the score as well of okay, print the score. Try test is not defined. Okay, so I'm doing some very silly mistake now. Okay, so this is my score, and this score signifies how well my data has been trained with the 80% of the data. Okay, it's good if you just print the coefficient and as well as your intercept, because it will be helpful. Intercept. Okay, now I have to predict. How will I predict? Keep a variable predict, simple lr dot predict. I want to predict what? I want to predict my x test. So x text, and then simply print my pred. Got. So this is my predicted value, and now it's better if I like, now it's better to plot a regression graph with respect to our training data and our testing data. Okay, so first I'll do a scatter with my x train y train, and plt dot plot, I'll plot with my x test and pred. I'll give it a color of red. X test pred color, x and y must be the same size. अच्छा, दिक्कत क्या हो गया? दिक्कत क्या हो गया ना? x train y train मैंने यहाँ पे गलत लिखा है क्या? x train y train x test y test मैंने यहाँ पे फिट किया, स्कोर प्रिंट करवाया, प्रेडिक्ट करवाया, अब मुझे प्लॉट करवाना है, प्लॉट हो नहीं रहा, क्यों हो नहीं रहा? ये क्या हो गया? Okay, so it's saying x and y must be the same size. Acha, this can be one issue because I simply because I didn't reshape my column after I took all those input from the real data set. I might have to reshape. Yeah. So let's change a bit in here. What I can do, let's say, let's data set is equals to df. अच्छा ऐसे नहीं करते हैं, इसको ही करते हैं. ये जो चीज़ है यहाँ पे हम population will be also using area population. Okay, now let's copy this. Okay, and now data set underscore columns equals to अच्छा यार अच्छा so sorry मैं I was I'm doing a multiple linear regression here. I cannot just plot with x and y because in x I have 4 to 5 input. It's so I have no idea what I'm doing. No idea. So sorry. I cannot plot this like that. It's x and y, and in my x I have 4 to 5 inputs. Shit. Sorry. We can also print the score like our score matrix. Okay. We have done the prediction. It's okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. lr dot score. So sorry. It's done. It's done. It's prediction. This is the score. That's it. Yeah. So yeah. In next video I'll be doing something more. So thanks for watching.